that unit masses are placed on the x-axis at locations x is equal to 1 meter, 2 meter, 4 meter, 8 meter, etc. Find gravitational potential at the origin. So the question is, now here it is the origin, here it is the origin, and the masses are placed, unit masses are placed in x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 4, and this way, etc. This etc means 8, 16, 32, the masses are placed up to infinite. 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, up to the infinite number of masses are there. Okay. So its solution will be like that. So what is the formula for gravitational potential? It is minus gm by r, where m is the mass of the object. So mass is having value 1 kg. Unit masses are placed, it is given in the question. So the value of each mass is 1 kg. So the net potential in the origin O is given by minus gm by r. So the distance is 1 meter. Then minus gm, m is same for all the masses, that is 1 kg. This capital G is universal gravitational constant. This distance will become 2. This is minus gm by 4 minus gm by 8, and in this way up to infinity. So what are the take minus g, and this m is 1 kg. Now within the bracket you will left with 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 up to infinity. Form the geometric progression with a special case. So here r is second term by first term is 1 by 2. Now both the conditions are satisfied for a special case, that magnitude of r, that is here r is having equal to 1 by 2, which is less than 1, and the second case is the series goes to infinity. So here the series goes to infinity, so we can use the direct formula, that is sum of infinite value. And what is that formula? That is a by 1 minus r. So here we will get the gravitational potential as minus g, and the sum of the terms of within the bracket is given by a by 1 minus r. So here a is the first term, that is 1, and 1 minus r. So 1 minus r is 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. That will become 2. 1 by 1 by 2 is 2. The final answer is minus 2